Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oats dosa. First, gently roast 1 cup of rolled oats in a pan until they become fragrant and slightly golden. Then, combine the roasted oats with 1/4 cup of urad dal and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Soak this mixture in water for at least 2 hours to soften everything for grinding. After soaking, drain the oats and dal mixture completely. Transfer it to a grinder and add about a 1/2 cup of water. Grind until you achieve a very smooth, pourable batter consistency. Now, stir in salt to your liking and let the batter ferment in a warm place for approximately 8 hours or overnight. Once your batter is perfectly fermented, heat a non-stick tawa or griddle over medium-high heat. Pour 1 ladleful of the batter onto the center and quickly spread it outwards in a circular motion to form a thin dosa. Drizzle about 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee around the edges for a crispy finish. Cook the dosa for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the bottom turns golden brown and the edges become crispy. Gently fold the dosa in half and carefully remove it from the tawa. Serve your delicious and healthy oats dosa immediately with your favorite coconut chutney, sambar, or any other accompaniment you prefer. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.